In this video, you'll learn how to fix SEO errors using Perplexity. This guide will walk you through the process of running an SEO audit, addressing any issues that arise, and verifying improvements to maintain your website's SEO health. Start by navigating to the Perplexity website. Once the homepage loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed on the screen. In this search bar, type the command perform SEO audit for NORP's website. Replace the placeholder with your actual website URL to initiate the audit. After you submit the request, Perplexity will process the information and present a list of SEO errors related to your website. This may include issues such as missing meta tags, broken links, slow loading pages, or duplicate content. Take note of these errors as they will guide your next steps. Next, begin fixing the identified issues. Start by adding any missing titles and meta descriptions for your pages. This can typically be done through your website's content management system or directly in the HTML code. Ensure that each page has a unique title and a meta description that accurately reflects its content. Following that, focus on optimizing images and improving page speed. Large image files can slow down your site, so consider compressing them without sacrificing quality. Additionally, utilize tools to analyze your page speed and make adjustments as necessary, such as minimizing JavaScript or using caching. Then address broken links by checking each one listed in the audit results. Update or remove any links that lead to non-existent pages. Finally, eliminate any duplicate content found on your website, as this can negatively impact your SEO ranking. This may involve rewriting content or consolidating similar pages. Once you have made all the necessary fixes, it's time to verify your improvements. Return to the Perplexity search bar and enter the command check SEO for your website after fixes. This will allow you to see if the errors have been resolved or reduced after your adjustments. Regular performing these checks is essential to maintaining your website's SEO health. By consistently monitoring and addressing issues, you can enhance your site's visibility and performance over time.